How does this boat do in the wind? Better than my Hobie. That's a fact. Again, I'm not trying to knock Hobies. Hobies are awesome boats. You know, I own one, right? So they are awesome boats. But this setup right here, I would say, if you're gonna get a Hobie, get a PA-14. If you're gonna go for a 12-foot boat, get the Wilderness Systems Recon 120. For a 12-foot boat, it's hands down better than the Hobie. Especially the way that I've got it set up with the Torqeedo. But, you know, if you can't afford a Torqeedo, you can obviously put like a Newport vessels on it, or one of the other brands of boats, motors, excuse me. You can do that. So, I mean, the wind's picked up out here for us quite a bit on the river. And so you can see we're dealing with some waves, some white caps over there to the left. But I thought I'd just do a little bit of video showing you guys exactly how this bad boy handles rough conditions like this. You know, we are going, we're going into the wind downstream. See the waves coming upstream. I guess we got a wind coming up from that direction, whatever that is. I don't even know. But we're going about 4.5 miles per hour. Zoom in here on the graph. You can see there we're doing about 4.5 miles per hour. I'm trying to get up here to these pylons on this bridge because I want to try to cast off each one of those real quick. I need one more fish. I need a 15, 16-inch fish, and I can take first place. As far as I know. Now, I don't know if somebody sandbagged a whole day's worth of fish. I don't know what happened. But as far as it goes, me and Dirk are leading the pack right now. And again, like I said, that could change. But anyway, I just wanted to kind of go and do a short little video here and show you guys how the Wilderness Systems Recon 120 paired with a Torqeedo 403 AC handles rough water. And as far as I'm concerned, handles it like a daisy. All right, guys, y'all stay tuned, and we'll have video there on the GoPro as well. You'll have some of that footage, you know, see that on the channel as well too. We had a pretty good video today, I think. We're probably going to have to do some stuff last minute, or you know, I think I'm going to turn the camera back on because I think it's off right now. That's what I'm trying to say. But anyway, you can see the water has splashed over the bow of the boat. I do have a couple plugs in, but just because I am running a lot of gear in here, so I want to make sure that, you know, I don't get a bunch of water in here throughout the day. I don't mind this little bit right here, but, you know, I'll just take the scuppers out and then drain out, or it'll fly out on the way home. So, but we're coasting, man. We are coasting. I never thought I'd be fishing in a kayak like this that had a stinking motor on it. So I'm gonna try to see if I can't catch smallmouth real quick. Y'all, love you. I'll be back on the YouTube channel. Here we go. He gone. Apparently I was going too fast and made the motors come up out of the water. Just threw me a 30 cove, but anyway, you see this is ridiculous right here. I slowed it down a little bit because you can see where the water sprayed over, getting a little bit of water in. But, you know, it's not, I ain't worried about it. I did just go ahead and slow down. That way I don't smack it so hard, and I'll show you why. I'm gonna go ahead and crank it all the way up here. This is, I mean, I'm already hitting 4 mile an hour, 433. But I have literally went probably 13. There you go. It's like traveling in the ocean. I love it. It's awesome. It's good stuff, as they say. I'm trying to have fun on this, obviously, because tournament's over with at this point. Like I said, unless somebody sandbag, I should have second place. Dirk's behind me. He's first place. Me and him went way upriver. Actually, he put in at Rogersville. I put in at Beech and went upriver. He came downriver. So, pretty cool that, you know, first and second we got to fish together today the whole time, and it was worth it. I've got about 14% battery life left, and that's me running this boat full speed pretty much all the way up this morning, and then running the motor pretty much the whole day at different times. There were a few times I would shut it off, but for the most part I ran the motor. And so I am like super pumped because, I mean, 14%, I should be able to make it back to the boat launch, you know, for sure. Yeah, because right there is where the cutout is. So up here, there's actually some kayakers way up there. You see them. They're getting ready to turn in to where we go in. So I definitely should be able to make it in, but you see them up there. So I'm gonna just film. I'll film the rest of the way. Make this a long video today. I haven't published it. I think it'll be cool just to be able to see, you know, traveling in the boat, the kayak with the motor on it, the Torqeedo. And honestly, if the battery died right now, I don't want it to, but if the battery did die, I could paddle back in and still, you know, get in plenty of time. But I'm hoping that this thing will last long enough for me to get back, and that'll give me a good idea of about how far that I can go. What I'm believing is that the information on Torqeedo's website is pretty well accurate. They said 3.7 miles per hour could pretty much get you full day. Well, we're running 4, 5, 6 right now, and that's the winds coming in our face. Of course, just the waves are a little bit better now than they were. But a while ago, that wind was cracking, lacking, and we were messed up. There's a nice brown squirrel. See him? He's gone now. Anyway, I'm trying to get you some scenery as we come by here. But yeah, we're cranking it in. Dirt's somewhere behind me. I'm not gonna turn around and look though, because I want to keep facing forward and moving, you know. But yeah, guys, unless somebody was sandbagging some big fish or whatever, should be able to secure second, no problem. But yeah, we got some water in from these waves. But other than that, you know, we've had a ball. We've had an absolute ball today. This has been the best kayaking trip I've had. And, you know, honestly, it's all because of this motor. Having the motor, wider boat, all that good stuff. So, anywho, we're heading in. Hopefully, you know, it's lines out. It was at 2:45. It's 2:58 now. We've got to be at the check-in at 3:45, which is up here at the Beech Creek boat ramp. There was 26 anglers that fished today, and if, like I said, if it holds out, I got second, which is what I needed. I needed a good, strong second place finish to move me back up in the points. I would love to have had a win today, but I just could not get that last fish. I caught 4 good fish. One was a 12.75. I'd like to have, you know, a 14. That would have been better. Give me a couple extra inches, but it is what it is. So, like I said, unless somebody's just absolutely sandbagging today, we should have it locked up. And I'm excited. Me and Dirk both, we fished our hearts out, and you know, it's pretty cool. I got 11% battery life left now, so I'm down 2%. And now I'm getting ready to turn into where Beech Creek boat ramp is. So should be pretty sweet, you know, to see how this thing wraps up. But I am going to turn around and just see how far ahead of Dirk I am, because we were pretty close whenever I took off. So I put this motor in gear. He's in a pedal only kayak. So we'll oh, look here, there's your hawk or whatever that is, buzzard. Yeah, he's way up there, way up there. So, but yeah, we're almost caught up with these cats here, and they're in, I think, PA 14s or PA 12s. It might be Adam Chapman, actually. We'll see. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna wrap the video up for us today, guys. Wow, what can I say, man? I'm in love with the Torqeedo. In love. So, all right, fellas, y'all stay safe, stay strong. Remember, always, you are a champion. So be one. See you on the next video.